So this video is how to save your marigold seed. So you got a lovely marigold here and you're wondering how do you save the seed. I will just show you quickly. Just hold on a minute. Let me move to a dry one. So we are back. So you got this lovely flowers, and what happened is marigold dries up. These flowers becomes dry, and when they become dry, the flowers turns to the seed. So which means if this is the flower, as you can see, it's got the green stuff. When it dries up, it becomes dry like that, and what you just do it, you snap it off, and this is your seed. So you know that for you to know which is, if you kind of open it up, you'll see several seed, and these are your seed for your marigold. And this is how you save your seed. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Bye.